Hello together! Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, my and your YouTube cooking channel. So we have here some paper rolls. We wrap some salmon and shrimps on these paper rolls and made this sauce. So for the sauce we're gonna mince the ingredients. I will leave you in the description or here in the video. We're just gonna cut it small. Just stir fry them with a regular oil and the white part of the spring onion. It is only the white part because you don't want to fry the green side of it. Yeah, just plain oil. I'm using sunflower oil. I'm just gonna stir fry them and add some sauces. All the sauces and the quantities I use I am leaving in the description or here in the video. I use some water at the beginning, yeah, and then my sauce, sushi vinegar, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, fish sauce, sweet soya sauce, dark soya sauce, what else, sugar, and well, you just check it out on the description. I actually don't remember exactly the quantities, yeah, I just wrote them for you. So for the sauce, you're gonna let it boil, and you have to check the consistency you would like to have. If you want a little bit thicker, you can just let it cook a little bit or reduce the water that at the beginning, or I let it kind of very fluid. So it is the way I did it, yeah. So on the other side, I have a video for all the sauces I use, just this here. And I mixed the fish sauce, and this is the one I'm using. It's around 1 tablespoon as well, yeah. So just sip it and we are done with our sauce. Just reserve it. On the other side, I got some spring onion. I will cut it small. I got some fresh coriander. I got salmon in pieces, and I got shrimps, yeah. I cut the salmon in pieces as I'm gonna steam it, and the fish and the shrimps, they are raw, yeah. So it's quite easy. We got the rice paper, we get it in a little bit warm water, yeah, we make them wet, and just put some salmon, and on the other side I will do it with shrimps. Both will have spring onion, and only the one with shrimps will have coriander, fresh coriander. This is the way I did it. Of course, you can adapt it yourself. If you don't like coriander, if you like other veggies, whatever you like, they are just very flexible. Remember, this is an idea, and you can adjust it to your needs and what you like to eat, etc. Yeah. So, and just wrap it. You can wrap it just like this, like I'm doing now, yeah, just straight, and then you fold the sides, or you can start the other way I will show you later on, folding the sides at the first time, and the second time then roll it. I will add a little bit of oil to the plate and also to the rolls itself, that they don't get stick between each other. So just like that, just check the next way I fold the other rolls just to show you, and let's continue. I am using my Thermomix to steam it, but of course you can use the bamboos to steam it. You can steam it the way you cannot do it at home. Yeah, I'm using just Thermomix, and just like that we are so far done. We place them on a plate and pour the sauce with it. Yeah, just like that. They're very yummy. So together, I hope you like it. If you like it, just leave your comment. If you want another recipe or some another idea just like this. So take care everyone and enjoy the journey. Good appetite. Ciao.